Boost Mobile requires ID verification for new activations and upgrades. This involves two main components: knowledge-based authentication, or KBA, and photo uploads of your government-issued ID. KBA involves answering security questions based on your personal history. Boost Mobile uses data from Equifax and Experian to verify your answers. Make sure your credit reports are accurate by checking them at annualcreditreport.com. For photo uploads, submit clear images of your government-issued ID. Use good lighting, hold the ID flat, and avoid glare. The system automatically checks for tampering. You have up to 5 retries per 24-hour period. If you fail multiple times, contact Boost Mobile support for manual review. Common errors include mismatched data like old addresses or poor image quality. Preparation is key. Have your ID ready and verify personal details beforehand. Boost Mobile is shifting towards biometric verification, which may reduce the need for KBA and photo IDs in the future. If your Boost Mobile ID verification fails, don't panic. First, wait 1 to 2 hours between retry attempts. Ensure all information you enter is accurate and matches your ID and credit reports. If KBA questions seem impossible, dispute incorrect data with Equifax or Experian. If photo uploads are rejected, check for glare, shadows, or cropping issues. Use Boost Mobile's official app to avoid browser-related glitches. Boost Mobile now provides real-time feedback on why a photo was rejected. If you continue to fail, contact Boost Mobile support. Be aware that wait times for human support can be long, as Boost Mobile relies heavily on AI chatbots. If necessary, seek manual verification by a live agent. Consider this a last resort. If all else fails, and you believe your information is correct, this may indicate an issue with Boost Mobile's system. Continue to follow up with customer support.